Once upon a time, there was a farmer named Jack who lived in a small village surrounded by green hills. Jack worked hard every day on his family's farm, growing delicious vegetables like potatoes, zucchinis, onions, and tomatoes. As the sun rose, Jack would wake up early to pick the ripe tomatoes from the vines, imagining all the delicious meals they would make together. One day, when the sun was shining brightly, Jack went for a walk in the forest to find wild mustard greens. As he walked, he saw a very beautiful girl named Lily. Lily had long flowing hair like a ripe bitter gourd, and her eyes sparkled like the greenest bottle gourds. Jack felt his heart race as he looked at her. Lily was also happy to see Jack. As Jack and Lily spent more time with each other, their love became stronger, just like the plants in Jack's garden. They enjoyed picnics in the cabbage field, laughing as they watched the lettuce leaves sway in the breeze. At night, under the twinkling stars, they danced together, feeling as joyful as pumpkin seeds carried by the wind. However, their love faced challenges. Some jealous people in the village did not like seeing Jack and Lily happy, and they tried to create problems. Sometimes their families did not understand their desire to be together, but Jack and Lily did not let anything stop them. They believed that as long as they had each other, they could overcome any obstacle. On a warm summer evening, when the air was filled with the sweet scent of capsicum flowers, and the sky was aglow with fireflies, Jack proposed to Lily. He knelt down and presented her with a ring made from a pumpkin stem. Lily cried tears of happiness as she said yes. They hugged each other tightly, feeling confident that their love was as strong as the spinach growing in Jack's garden. Jack and Lily began a new part of their lives together. They worked together in the farm, planting cauliflower and okra, and seeing them grow into lovely plants. Each harvest reminded them of their love, which was strong and full of life, just like their colorful vegetables. With time, Jack and Lily's love grew stronger and stronger, like the roots of mustard greens in the forest. They lived happily ever after, surrounded by their beautiful vegetable garden and the warmth of their endless love.